Hello students, welcome you all in English classes of RDS group of school. Class our 5 chapter of English grammar are completed and today we are going to start our lesson 6. But before starting our lesson, I hope you are doing your work and sending the pictures of your work in the WhatsApp group. And students who are not sending their work in the WhatsApp group, I am requesting you please send your work in the WhatsApp group. So today we are going to start our chapter 6, that is letter writing. And in letter writing today we will learn how to write application. First of all, as you always do, first of all fill page number and date. After that we will write thought of the chapter. Application is written to make a request. As you all know, in student life we use application to in our school for making a request. After that you will mention lesson, then your topic, that is letter writing. And in letter writing today we will learn how to write an application. So what is application? First of all you will write the definition of application. Application is a type of formal letter. Formal letter means you can say that our business letter, official letter we used to write. They are not included in personal letters, which is usually written to make a request for something. And in student life we most of time we use application in our school. So today we will learn about application. So class, if you are going to write an application, it is very important for that you should know the format of application, because if you are not able to write a proper application, you are not able to get proper marks. So there is a format of application which you have to follow when you are going to write an application. So here now we will learn the format of application. So how will you write? Let's see. And class, when you will write, make sure that there should not be a single mistake in your pattern. First of all you will write to, then you will put a comma. After that you will mention a post to whom you are writing. If you are writing your class teacher, if you are writing to monitor, if you are writing to your manager, if you are writing to a principal, to whom you are writing, you will mention that post. First of all, and keep in your mind that first letter of the post should be in capital letter. So you will mention post. I have written here the principal, then name of the school. You will write your name of school. After that you will leave a line. Class, I have mentioned a cross here. The cross is means that you will leave a line. It means after writing the post and the name of school you will leave a line. If you will not leave a line, your marks will be cut. After that your date line, it means you will mention the date. And class, your date should be in English format as I have shown you in the video, you can see. After that again you will leave a line, then you will write subject. What is subject? Means for what you are writing. You are writing for sick leave, you are writing for fee concession, you are writing for extra class. Whatever subject you have, you can mention it in a brief, in short. After that you will again leave a line, then you will mention salutation. Salutation means you will greet the person to whom you are writing. If it is male, then you will write respected sir. If she is female, then you will write ma'am. After that again you will mention leave a line, then you will write your letter, your content of letter, whatever the reason for. You will explain your subject here. After finishing your content, you will write closing. Means you will write yours obediently. In student life you have to write obediently. When you will grown up, then if you are writing for official purpose, then our closing will be changed, like your faithfully, your sincerely, your truly. But in student life you should write yours obediently. Then signature means you have to write your name in simple language. After that you will mention your class. So this is the pattern that you have to follow. If your application is totally right but you have not followed the pattern, you have not left the line in properly, your marks will be cut. It doesn't matter that your application is right, but format is wrong, then your marks will be cut. So both things should be right, your content and as well as your format. Okay, now I'll show you an example of application. And class, make sure that there should not be a single mistake in your pattern, and you will close it within a box as you can see in the video. I am showing you again and again, so please don't do mistake. Okay, now let's read a question. Write an application to the principal of your school for 2 days sick leave. In class, you will get post of the person in the question. So please when you are going to write an application, you have to read the question very carefully. So first of all, as we have learned in the pattern, first of all you will write to, then put a comma, then the principal. As you can see, we have to write application for principal, and P should be capital. If you make small p, your marks will be cut. So P should be capital. It means first letter of the post should be capital, then our school name, RDS, MPS, it should be within 2 lines. You will not write in a single line, you have to take 2 lines. Then leave a line, then mention date. I have mentioned here 8 May. You can mention whatever the date you want when you are writing. And class, first letter of the month should be in capital, and after that you have to put a comma. If you will not do it, your marks will be cut. Each and every very minor thing can minus your marks, you have to keep in your mind. Then subject, for what we have to write, application for sick leave. Then salutation, as we all know our principal is female, so we will write respected ma'am, then put a comma. Then we will write our matter. I want to state that I am suffering from fever since last night, so I am unable to come to school for 2 days. Within a bracket you can mention the date. If there are 2 days, you will just mention the date using and. If there are more than 2 days, then you can write like from and to. Okay class. Then class, this line which is started with kindly, it should be started with a new line. Keep in your mind, kindly grant me leave for 2 days. Then yours obediently, name. If name is not given in the question, you have to mention just XYZ, don't mention your class. Then your class XYZ, and your application is completed. You can close it within a box if you want, it will look good just. So, and class, I would like also tell you that your syllabus is also completed, your grammar. So please class, I would like to request you, please complete your work and send in the WhatsApp group. There are still so many students who are ignoring their teachers and they are not giving any kind of response, which is very bad. So please take your studies seriously. We are working very hard for you, so please you also do work hard. Thank you.